the gray right here. It looks really nice. So we've got this kind of hard shell exterior. Then at the bottom, these are pretty unique, so it has a little piece that separates. So the soft interior is kind of like a soft TPU plastic on the inside of it. You got a little bit of padding along the back of the case. A little see-through window right here. And again, you got that soft, I believe it's like a TPU texture that's gonna be the inner part of the case. So it is a two-part case. It's got like a hard shell on the back and then a soft inner, again, I think it's TPU lining. So you've got, of course, your power button right here, your volume down, volume up, and it does come with a covered action button. So I really like that. Okay, then we're gonna go through these unboxings pretty fast because I want to get the phone, the case on the phone. So there's the red right there. Okay, same thing. Got some shock absorption pads on the inside, on the back. Hard shell, little piece on the bottom. So you do have to take this piece off of the bottom. It separates pretty easy. When there's no phone in there, it's a little bit tougher when there's a phone on there. It just separates like that. And then once you take off that little bottom part, then you're able to slide your phone in. So I'll be honest with y'all, these instructions, and I consider myself a pretty intelligent person, but these instructions were not the easiest. So I saw right there where it tells you to separate the bottom and then put the phone on the inside and then pop it in. So I was kind of scared I was going to break something, but really and I'll show you with the last case, but it's pretty easy. Just the instructions aren't the easiest to understand. Okay, so there goes the red, and then this is going to be the last one, which is going to be the green. Again, they call it Bondi blue. Same case, hard shell exterior, little plastic piece that separates from the bottom. You have to take that off again to be able to slide your phone in. Okay, same inner lining right there. All right. So now that we've got all those unboxed, I'm gonna get them lined up right here. We got again the green, which is the Bondi blue. We've got the red, which the official name is Ruby. And then we've got the gray, which they call Graphite. So 3 different colored cases that this does come in. I love this style. It's really great. Color, again, my favorite's going to be this green, which is that Bondi blue. Second place for me, personal preference, would probably be the red, which is the Ruby. And then third place we go to the gray, Graphite. All right, so now we've got these 3 lined up. I'm going to go ahead and put my phone into my favorite case right there. So again, you take off this plastic piece on the bottom. This now makes the case pliable enough to pop it in. Super simple. Bring it over. Start with the top, putting your phone in there, just like you just saw right there. Push down, and voila. Of course, it puts some pressure on the buttons. So once you push it in like you just saw me pushing the top and then pushing the bottom part, this flexible piece opens up. And then now we flip it over, we can put this plastic piece back on the bottom. Okay, and this really is what brings the case together. Okay, so now I've got that on the bottom, so now it's locked in. Let's talk about how the case looks, okay, or some worthy piece of the case. So number one, let's talk about the raised lip first. So it has an even raised lip all the way around the case. Okay, that soft plastic TPU interior, it's even all the way around the lip of the phone. Okay, then the buttons, let's talk about how they are. So the volume up and volume down button are pretty tactile. I'll be honest, like I guess I could get more out of the action button. It feels kind of just squishy. but the volume on up and down button are pretty tactile. Then the power button is also, again, very tactile. Now to the bottom right there, you do have the accurate cutouts. So we got accurate cutouts for the volume and speaker, and then for the USB-C, I've had no problem with this case. Got a big cutout for, I'd say, pretty much universal compatibility with USB-C cables. At the top, they kind of do a little bit different with the speaker. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but it's, instead of it just being open, it almost has like a angled lip at the top where that speaker's at to kind of feed sound back towards you or out towards you. So again, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's got like a little bump on there. But other than that, all in all, folks, this one I think looks really good with the natural titanium. So I will tell you, now that I've got the case on this one, the contrast between the two other colors, okay? So there's your three colors there. I will tell you, as far as a fingerprint magnet goes, this case is amazing. It's great. It feels really comfortable. The quality, right? If I'll be honest with you, as far as like weight goes, they're very lightweight. I don't have a scale to measure, but they're very comfortable. They do feel quality. The magnets are very good on them, but you know, they do feel cheaper, right? They feel like a $20 or $30 phone case. So they are impact resistant as far as falling goes. I'm not gonna test how impact resistant they are, but I mean, you know, as far as that goes, that's good. But I will tell you, fingerprint wise, like, cause I'm big on fingerprints on my phone case. The green's gonna pick up the least amount of fingerprints in my experience, followed by the red. But you can kind of see, even me just handling a little bit, there is some fingerprints on there. And then the gray. The gray is gonna be the worst when it comes to picking up oily fingerprints or body oils or anything like that. So if that's under consideration, please keep that in mind. But all in all, thank you for stopping by, letting me do this brief unboxing, giving you my first impressions. Again, really great case. I love the way it feels. This is probably gonna be my daily driver. Stay tuned for more videos, and now let's roll into the outro. Hey folks, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my channel and giving me a chance to talk to you about tech and the things I love. Please do me a huge favor. Like, comment, and subscribe. That really helps out a small channel like mine as I'm growing and trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. As always, take care of yourself and each other. Have a great week and have a great weekend.